Welcome back to MechaFarm. Today, we are stepping into a world of ultimate mechanical power. Prepare to witness earth-shattering heavy machinery and monstrous agricultural titans dominate the landscape. Buckle up and let's unleash the beasts. First up on our epic list is an absolute titan of the deep forest, the Eco-Log 590F Harvester. When it comes to conquering the most treacherous, uneven terrains on the planet, this unique mechanical beast has absolutely no equal. Unlike traditional forestry equipment, the 590F features a revolutionary pendulum arm suspension system. This brilliant engineering masterpiece allows the machine to completely level its cabin and crane, even while operating on terrifyingly steep and extreme mountain inclines. Watch in absolute awe as this highly agile monster navigates the dense woods like a giant mechanical spider. At the end of its powerful, long-reaching crane sits a highly advanced, devastatingly efficient harvesting head. With surgical precision, it grips a massive, towering pine tree, slices through the thick trunk in a fraction of a second, and effortlessly brings it crashing down to the earth. But the destruction does not stop there. In one incredibly fluid, lightning-fast motion, the harvester head pulls the massive trunk through its razor-sharp blades, stripping away every single heavy branch before perfectly cutting the wood to exact, computerized lengths. Next, prepare yourself for absolute, uncompromising destruction with the terrifying Prinoth Raptor 800. This is not just a standard land clearing machine, this is the ultimate, heavy-duty forestry mulcher, built to completely obliterate anything that stands in its path. Powered by an unbelievably massive, roaring diesel engine generating an earth-shattering 800 horsepower, this aggressive tracked behemoth is a true mechanical apex predator. Whether it is dense, overgrown brush, thick roots, or entire standing trees, the Raptor 800 shows absolutely zero mercy. Its primary weapon is a gargantuan, heavily armored front mulching drum, armed with incredibly sharp, highly durable steel teeth spinning at terrifying velocities. Watch closely as this unstoppable monster aggressively charges into the thickest forests, violently chewing up solid wood and instantly turning massive, heavy timber into a massive cloud of fine, flying mulch. The sheer, raw power required to perform this level of continuous, high-speed destruction is completely mind-blowing. Riding on wide, heavy-duty steel tracks, it easily exerts massive pushing force while maintaining incredibly low ground pressure. Now, let's shift our focus to the highly advanced world of massive agricultural harvesting with the incredible Oxbo 6030. When large-scale vineyards and massive commercial orchards demand rapid, high-volume picking, this towering, straddle-type mechanical giant is the ultimate solution. Designed to perfectly straddle tall rows of precious crops, this incredibly tall, high-clearance machine glides over the vibrant green fields like a colossal futuristic spaceship. The true magic of the Oxbo 6030 lies in its highly sophisticated, computer-controlled picking mechanism. Instead of aggressively tearing at the delicate plants, it utilizes a highly advanced, ultra-gentle trunk-shaking technology. Watch in sheer amazement as it moves continuously down the endless rows, vibrating the heavy vines with mathematically precise frequency. This brilliant engineering perfectly dislodges the ripe, juicy fruit without causing absolutely any damage to the incredibly fragile plants or the surrounding foliage. The harvested crop is then instantly caught by a highly efficient, high-speed internal conveyor system, catching every single berry and rapidly transferring it to massive following transport trucks. Brace yourself for a glimpse into the high-tech future of extreme destruction with the Brokk 800P demolition robot. Weighing in at over 11 massive tons, this heavily armored, remote-controlled mechanical beast is the undisputed king of specialized heavy demolition. Built specifically to operate in the most incredibly hazardous, confined, and deeply dangerous environments on Earth, this mechanical titan removes human operators from the absolute line of extreme, life-threatening danger. Do not let its relatively compact, tracked profile fool you. The sheer, devastating breakout force this machine delivers is completely off the charts, easily rivaling excavators that are 3 times its massive size. Equipped with a terrifyingly powerful, heavy-duty hydraulic breaker attachment, it violently hammers into solid, reinforced concrete and thick steel structures with relentless, earth-shaking, and deafening fury. Watch how its highly articulated, brilliantly designed 3-part boom provides unmatched reach and surgical precision in incredibly tight, claustrophobic spaces. Prepare to experience the brutal, earth-shattering reality of the quarry with the colossal Kleemann MC 120Z Pro. This is not just a machine, it is an unimaginably massive, highly mobile jaw crusher built to violently dominate the global mining and heavy recycling industries. When massive mountains of solid, impenetrable rock need to be aggressively reduced to usable, perfectly sized gravel, this roaring diesel-electric titan is the ultimate, undisputed weapon of choice. Driven by an incredibly powerful, hyper-efficient power plant, it features a gargantuan, heavily reinforced feeding chamber designed to swallow massive, extremely heavy boulders whole. Watch in absolute, terrified awe as this incredibly hungry mechanical beast bites down on gigantic slabs of hard granite and thick limestone. The immense, terrifyingly powerful crushing jaw systematically shatters the solid rock with millions of pounds of relentless, unstoppable hydraulic pressure, producing a deafening, thunderous symphony of pure industrial destruction. Next, we shift gears to witness one of the most uniquely beautiful and incredibly fascinating agricultural events on the planet, the spectacular commercial cranberry harvest. Unlike any other traditional crop, cranberries are harvested in a truly mesmerizing, highly specialized aquatic process. When autumn finally arrives, farmers intentionally flood the massive, expansive cranberry bogs with millions of gallons of crystal clear water. But the real magic begins when the specialized, heavy-duty water reel machines, often called egg beaters, aggressively enter the flooded fields. These rugged, incredibly strange-looking mechanical tractors forcefully churn the deep water, vibrating and violently shaking the submerged cranberry vines. Because every single tiny berry contains a small, natural pocket of air, this aggressive mechanical agitation forces the incredibly ripe fruit to detach and immediately float directly to the surface. Within mere hours, the entire, massive lake transforms into a breathtaking, solid, and vibrant sea of brilliant, floating crimson red. Now, let's head into the massive, sun-drenched orchards to experience the incredibly high-speed, deafeningly loud commercial pistachio harvest. Harvesting these highly valuable, hard-shelled nuts requires a synchronized, heavy-duty mechanical operation that is absolutely mind-blowing to witness. The absolute star of this incredibly intense agricultural show is the gargantuan, highly specialized mechanical tree shaker. Driven by an immensely powerful diesel engine, this bizarre, highly aggressive machine drives straight up to a massive, fully mature pistachio tree and fiercely clamps its heavy-duty, heavily padded hydraulic jaws tightly around the thick main trunk. In an instant, the machine unleashes a terrifying, hyper-violent burst of high-frequency vibration. The entire massive tree violently shakes and aggressively shudders, causing thousands of ripe pistachios to instantly rain down in a spectacular, heavy green downpour. But the brilliant engineering does not stop there. The nuts never even touch the dirty ground. An incredibly wide, massive sloping canvas catch frame, positioned perfectly underneath the trembling branches, catches every single falling nut and instantly funnels them onto a highly efficient, high-speed conveyor belt. This incredibly fast, perfectly coordinated mechanical attack can completely strip a massive tree in mere seconds, transforming the painfully slow, agonizing labor of the past into a hyper-efficient, unstoppable industrial harvesting juggernaut. Finally, we wrap up today's epic mechanical showcase with the mesmerizing, highly automated commercial blueberry harvest. While picking delicate, highly sensitive berries used to be an incredibly slow, entirely manual process, the introduction of massive, towering over-the-row harvesters has completely revolutionized the entire industry. These towering, highly specialized mechanical titans are meticulously designed to completely straddle the massive rows of high-bush blueberries. As the incredibly tall, futuristic machine slowly and steadily crawls directly over the dense plants, highly advanced, heavy-duty internal rotary beaters aggressively yet carefully enter the thick canopy. These rapidly spinning, highly flexible rods gently but firmly shake the heavy bushes with perfectly calculated, computer-controlled vibration. This brilliant, highly calibrated mechanical agitation perfectly dislodges only the fully ripe, incredibly plump blue fruit, leaving the hard, unripe green berries safely attached to the delicate branches. The cascading shower of sweet berries falls perfectly onto an incredibly clever, interlocking system of soft, heavy-duty catch plates that seamlessly seal around the base of the thick bush. That concludes today's spectacular journey through the world of extreme agricultural and heavy machinery right here on MechaFarm. If these absolute mechanical titans left you utterly speechless, make sure to completely smash that like button and subscribe for more earth-shattering content. See you next time.